Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sandy's Lifestyle and Cooking Videos. I'm Sandy, and today I'll be sharing with you some features from my farm. So, if you can see behind me, you know what time it is. Yes, I will be harvesting and juicing some pomegranates from my garden. So come along with me. Oh, isn't it lovely? And I have to put some here. This tree is so faithful. Lovely one coming here. Let me get this into a container, and then I will go to the other side and pick some more. Okay, so at the side, more fruit. We have so many young ones. These are so sunburned. Around to the other side. This can do. So I'm going to wash these. I'll be washing them in some baking soda water and then rinse them before juicing. It's very windy out here, so a little baking soda water and into the tub for these fruits. Okay, so the baking soda helps to get off some of the pests and pesticides. Not that I use pesticides in my garden, but from time to time we have where mosquitoes are being sprayed in the area, so pesticide will fall on the fruits and vegetables. So ensure that you wash them properly with baking soda. Generally, I would soak them for 15 minutes to ensure that all the pests are out. But for today, I'll just wash with the baking soda water and then rinse with cold water. So some of the pests tend to be in these areas. And because I'll be juicing them in their shell, and you'll see how I do that. I'll be using a juicer, a squeezer, one of those citrus squeezers, a medium-sized one, to extract the juice from the pomegranates. So I'll be cutting lengthwise and putting in my container. And you can see the juice gushing out. So beautiful. Okay, so these are the open pomegranates. They are so juicy. You can see the juice oozing out on the cutting board. Alright, so I'm gonna get down to the juicing process. And this is the amount that I've gotten from my tree. I know there's some still left, but I'll give them some time to get larger and more mature. So let's get started with the juicing process. So in the squeezer, I place the pomegranate and press. Oh, can you hear the juice oozing out? And open. And flip the pomegranate and squeeze again. Then I turn it in half and squeeze again. Can you hear the juice? Can you see that? Awesome goodness. Turn and squeeze. And finally, pomegranate, the fruit. This fruit is filled with antioxidant. Yes, it has a pretty ruby color, and it helps with preventing pain, so it's an anti-inflammatory. So pour this pomegranate juice into my jug. So here we go. now. And so before we started, I was saying to my husband, oh, I don't think we will get a jug full today. And surprisingly, we have a jug full plus more. So it is time for us to have a toast. Yes, we're gonna have a toast to a wonderful harvesting of pomegranates. It's so windy. And done. So let's just clean this up. Yes. Here you go. Cheers. Very refreshing and very sweet. Subscribe to like and share this video with your family and friends.
What? 7 o'clock na gone? But something must have wrong. The tramp cat must have lost him where we make him chancellor. If he this about the corner, there's no wonder him tan on so. Oh, this a crawl like a worm in a rat mango. Hi, somebody upon his. I beg you lift up fast. Yes, boy. This is how tramp carry drive. You feel the cool breeze? Why? When you get out of the seat, it is a roll and a toss. My head a spin. My basket drop. My pan a pickle top over. Man, what wrong with you? Jane, try the train and ring the bell and make this man top. Oh, the draw the train. The track is a gallop still. You must have known that my heart's not good. It's me out to kill. Jane, feel me heart. Look if me kerchief still there on my head. Stretch me out and tie me jaw. I have not tell him say me dead. The tram stop. Alright, my heart stop. Jane, help me down quick. Do. I'm going to mark your butt forward and your kuro face. I'm going to beat my mama grave for you and make your tongue disgrace. I'm going to make you swell and bust like some crazy monkey. Me, and the last somebody you're going to take tramp yard, run with me. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.